6.5 magnitude earthquake hits Taiwan today. A strong 6.5 magnitude earthquake shook the region near Hualien City, on the east coast of Taiwan. This strong earthquake was reported on August 15, 2024, at 6:35 a.m. local time, causing great concern among the population and triggering seismic alerts throughout the country. The epicenter of the earthquake was located about 26 kilometers southeast of Hualien City, at a relatively shallow depth of only 15 kilometers, which intensified its impact on the Earth's surface. In the hours following the earthquake, structural damage to buildings has been reported, especially in older buildings. Likewise, some roads in the vicinity of Hualien have suffered landslides and cracks, which has interrupted traffic and complicated access to some rural areas. Communications have been affected in some places, with power outages and problems with the mobile phone network. The Taiwanese government has issued recommendations to the population to stay alert for possible aftershocks, which usually follow an earthquake of this magnitude. Authorities have asked citizens to avoid coastal and mountainous areas, where the risk of landslides and tsunamis is greater. Fortunately, a tsunami warning has not been issued following the earthquake, but monitoring continues. As more data is collected, authorities continue to monitor the situation, and additional reports are expected to be issued in the coming hours to keep the population informed and coordinate relief efforts.
地震现在幅度越摇越大。